Alright, so I got these cameras installed to replace those side mirrors. Now, here's like if I'm sitting out, I'm driving, and then I turn, that's my view out the side mirrors. That's my view out that mirror. There's my view throughout the cameras. See how wide that angle is? Now that top one is my rear camera. The bottom on the bottom two are the side cameras. But you can tell that's a way more viewing area than what I can see out my side mirrors. I can see way farther out to the edges. Now I can cycle through to change my views. That's my front camera. That is the driver's side camera. That is the passenger side camera. That is the rear camera. That there is the rear camera along with the two side cameras. Now I can go into the menu. Oh, I gotta go back to just one camera. And I can go in here and I can go over to Q mode. Say I just want the side cameras to be visible. Well, those are cameras 2 and 3. Go over here, select OK. Exit out of the menu. There's cam 2. There's cam 3. Cam 4. And now that their view is only the two side cameras. Now, that building that's behind us that you can see from one end to the other end, that's probably a good 250 foot long is what that building is. And you can see it completely in those side cameras. So the field of view is just amazing on them. It's a 120 degree angle field of view. Now, I'm going to switch up to the backup camera. Select off that. Menu. Go over to Q mode. Select it. And now I want to go to a triple mode. So I want camera 4, camera 2, and camera 3. So there's those cameras there. Now we're going to have a vehicle pulling out and crossing behind us here. Now I'm going to start up. And I'm going to back in there into this parking spot that's behind me. And we're going to see how long it tracks those. You can still see the rigs. I'm parking it behind. See, I still got the full back view of both those vehicles. Alright, now I can still see the one on the passenger side. See how much I can see? Look where it is in relation to my side-by-side. The one on the driver's side, look where it is in relation. Now, look at my mirrors. I gotta do this like this, and I can barely see the front. The other side, look at that. Look at how much more field of view I have. I can back right up into this parking spot. Now I'll pull forward, go back out here. Now I'm going to have my lovely wife walk beside the side-by-side. You can see she's right there. I'm going to have her walk behind the side-by-side, see when the side mirrors pick her up, and then see when the rear view, or see when the side cameras pick her up, and then also see when the rear camera picks her up. All right, dear. When I say stop, stop. Stop. Back up. Back up. Stop right there. Okay, you can just see her sleeve a little bit in the camera. She is literally standing right there. All right, go ahead and walk towards the back. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. You can see where she is. See where the back camera picked her up. She's actually, see if I can get a view. She's actually right there. She's not very far from my machine at all. So these cameras are absolutely amazing. And now we'll go and we'll shoot some footage of driving down the road and see how they look. All right, so we're gonna roll out and go down the road and we'll see how these cameras work.